Thank you everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin sideways price action. Be patient, let this develop. But at this point, Bitcoin's cooling off, potentially moving sideways. On any pullbacks, telling you the buyers are going to buy the dips here. You had a weekly close that is epic. The 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame has been regained by the bulls, and everybody wants a piece of this. There's a ton of money sitting on the sidelines. Tether is printing money, right? USDT, but Bitfinex is doing the USDT printing, right? And that has a tendency to pump the market. Now, Bitcoin 4-hour chart, yes, you can see a pullback and people are going to buy it up. If you get a retest of this $25,000 200 level down here, best buy. Everybody's looking to buy there, but they might buy sooner. If you get a breakdown of this level, not good, not good. Worst case scenario, right? That would be a bull trap, and we don't want to see that. But right now, Bitcoin's bullish. Bitcoin's moving sideways. Altcoins are getting hit by Bitcoin dominance because Bitcoin dominance is pumping. But I got a gem pick banger for you on Kucoin that's got some amazing news. A few people on Twitter brought this coin to my attention, and it's got a solid use case, a working product. You don't see that often, so stay tuned for that on Kucoin. But Bitcoin moving sideways. Again, 30,000's next, 31,500, 33,000 after that. Banging. Dip first or dip later. Either way. Looking for more upside out of Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. We said elite traders are going to front run retail, and they did exactly on this pullback right here. They got Bitcoin got bought up. Right, so Bitcoin daily chart spook would be right here, but listen, the elite traders front run. They know what you're going to do. They know that textbook trading happens here. Textbook buyers buy the retest. Listen, if you do not chart coins right now, you can't win. You cannot win. You have no chance. You are not going to take my money if you can't even chart a coin. This is player versus player. This is you versus everybody else. If you're sitting on the, if you have a decent amount of money in this market and you can't chart coins, you're doing it all wrong. Get Tradingview. Go to the link in the description. Get Tradingview. Just follow me on YouTube and copy my charts. Just copy my charts. Freeze the frames, copy my charts. You'll start learning, right? Other people, you see their charts. Just start copying charts. Fastest way to get good at trading in this market. And I'll help you develop over time. Watch. So again, Bitcoin daily chart is bullish. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person's portfolio is now valued at $128,000. We've had an amazing Bitcoin run up, 40%, 42%, 43%, huge. A lot of people made a ton of money, and then we nailed all the gem picks went crazy during that Bitcoin run up. This person turned $400 into $4,000 in 3 days. Obviously, there's some leverage here. A lot of people email me and they're scared of leverage, and that's okay. Most people in the group do not trade leverage because they're new traders. I have staff round the clock to answer your questions. You want to ask a question about a chart you made? Post it in beginners. I've got admins that are on around the clock, universal, 24 hours a day, that will give you tips and ideas on how to improve your charts. And then we're going to make sure you're in the best setups constantly. We had short picks posted. You don't know how to trade shorts? Guess what? We've got videos to teach you. But we're going to bring people in as beginners, and over time, make sure you become intermediate, and then over time, make sure you become very proficient at trading. That's what we do. Thousands and thousands of people, period. This person made $2,000 in profit in a few hours. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is Ply, P-L-Y on Kucoin. Follow me on Twitter cryptobtc_Chris. I posted Ply on Twitter as well. Shortly after it was posted in the group, Ply actually took off 2 days later, 46% profit in a couple days. Carbon. So Carbon, the ticker is CSIX. So Carbon is, they have a lot of things going on. So they have a web browser, it's faster than other, it was compared to Brave, Chrome, Opera here, faster than all three. They've got privacy options with VPN, free VPN, firewall, Tor. They've got ad blockers, Web 3.0 support, got a multi-chain wallet with atomic swaps. Again, they have a lot over these popular browsers. Okay, so this coin was brought to my attention and has a good setup. I already posted this on Twitter. It's moving. This is just a coin where you'll see they've got so much going on. You've got a possible double bottom, right? We're talking about there's this small falling wedge inside the bigger falling wedge, and you can trade these little patterns inside the bigger patterns. Lock in your profits, get 7%, 8%, 5%. Just start building your confidence with the small wins, right? You don't have to be every win is 100% profits, right? You end up holding these coins for too long and you lose money. So again, CSIX Carbon on Kucoin has some upside based on these ideas. I mean, look, it's the fastest Web3 browser available. Right now, working product, you can get it on Google Play. Fact. As a browser, VPN, wallet, staking, swap, and bridge. Their roadmap for 2023, I'm not going to go through all of this, but it's stacked with news. They've got a new exchange listing coming this next quarter. They've got iOS app coming. They've got quite a few decentralized and centralized exchange listings coming as well. Guess what? If more people can buy the coin, it goes up, right? Then I found this Carbon browser, the team, they went to Binance on Binance's website. Binance hosted an Ask Me Anything with one of the developers of Carbon. Okay, they're listed on Kucoin. They're not on Binance yet. But if they're already on Binance's website, talking to Binance, if this coin gets listed on Binance, what happens? I'm just curious. Explosive move to the upside, yes. So clearly they had the conversation like, hey, what do we have to do to get listed on Binance? You're on an AMA, right? Hosted on Binance. And so, hey, does Carbon CSIX get listed on Binance? This is huge, right? Definitely in line on the board if everything plays out. But right now it's on Kucoin, banger central. Now, listen, on March the 22nd, the Fed added another $90 billion to its balance sheet. Right, so after 300 billion, added another 90 billion. And so again, everything's going a different direction, right? That Bitcoin follows this chart, right? And so just know that this may not be quantitative easing because that's not what they're calling it. They're calling it relief for the banks, but they're pumping money into the market. That's good for overall upside possibilities for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance. What are these altcoins doing, Chris? Why do they keep bleeding? Bitcoin dominance is the altcoin season indicator. This is Bitcoin season. This is altcoin season. Now, these small caps on Kucoin, they are the anomalies, right? They just do their own thing sometimes, right? When Bitcoin's green, it's definitely easier to trade. However, you get crazy, like I said, we got a Ply pump. This Ply pump, Bitcoin moving sideways, whole market not really moving, Ply up 46%. And that's why we do so well in the trading group. Thousands of members in the group. Bitcoin dominance, if you're an altcoin holder, you do not want to see Bitcoin dominance break out here. That's bad for altcoins. You want to see this thing start to trend lower. So I want to see the price action continue in this range, move down, altcoins take off. The dollar is weaker than it has been, but it's in a falling wedge. So very good chance this breaks out to the upside and comes back up here and revisits its level. Do you get a double bottom? Right? This is idea for a stronger dollar, which is not good for crypto, not good for the stock market either. But altcoin season indicators right here, total 2. We talk about it. I want to give you an update. Large caps are not taking off. Large caps have been bleeding. Large caps will bleed until Bitcoin dominance turns around. Bitcoin's going sideways. Like, it's not amazing for larger cap altcoins right now, but it will be as soon as this breaks out. You'll get this first level, you'll get a 10% gains across the board. These altcoins, Bitcoin just pumped 40%. Like, these altcoins, when it's altcoins turn, when Bitcoin's done, when it takes a break, it's altcoins turn. These altcoins, you're going to get 100% gains out of large caps. You're going to get 2, 3, 4x gains out of small caps. You have to be ready for what's about to happen. If you do not know what you're doing in this market, if you're having to ask other people, these charts tell you what to do, I can help you make a ton of money in this market. Check out my trading group. Quit playing around. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. I will continually keep you guys updated for free on YouTube because I freaking love this. But you've got to dive deeper into a lot of these ideas I'm talking about. If you don't, you could spend a year or two learning how to trade crypto. But if you want to fast track yourself to success, you've got to learn these patterns. Just as an example, Atom, EU double bottom, right? That's going to give you a breakout target this distance. This thing's going to take, these altcoins are going to melt faces off. $925 billion market cap. That's a 50% jump after this breaks out. Now, a lot has to happen. We're not there yet. April, May. Okay, look at April, May. Large caps take off. Banging. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.